Welcome guys. Now we will learn how to install Cypress step by step. Before installing Cypress, first we have to download some prerequisite. For that, go to Google, go to Node.js official documentation. From there, you have to download this installer file. After downloading it, just install it. In my system, it is already installed. To check whether it is successfully installed or not, so go to CMD and just type here node version command. So it's mean in my system Node is successfully installed. Now we will start installation process of the Cypress. For that, open Visual Studio Code and select any empty folder. Okay. After that, create a new terminal and type here npm init command. Okay. Just for now, go with the default one. Tab enter, 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 enter. Yes. For now, this is okay for me. Okay. Now here you can see that an package.json file is created. This will help us to handle all the project related dependency in our project. Now after initializing the project, we will install Cypress. For that, we have to type npm install Cypress command. Okay. Okay, this will take some time and it depend on your speed. So we will meet when this installation part is completed. Okay, now you can see that all the packages are successfully installed and they have found zero vulnerability. After that, I will create my first spec file. For that, just type npx cypress open command, type enter. Okay. Okay. In Cypress, we can do two type of testing. One is end-to-end testing and one is component testing. Cypress is mainly used for end-to-end testing. So I will configure Cypress according to end-to-end testing. So just double tap on this and wait. Okay. Now click on continue. In Cypress, we can run our test cases with three different browsers. One is Chrome, Edge, and Electron. Now I will run it with Chrome. Okay. So now I will create a new spec file. If you want to change the name and the directory, and if you want to change the name, you can. I will go with the default one. So this is the code of my first test case. Now I will run it. Okay, just give a moment. Okay, now my test case is passed. Now congratulations, we have passed our first test case and run our first test case with the help of Cypress. I will briefly explain all this in my next video. So meet you in next video. Thank you.